Hello. Today I'm going to be doing a Father's Day Big Daddy gift basket. I'm going to start by showing you how I create cigars using Rolo Chocolate Candies. So I got this bag from Walmart for about $7, and you can make 10 cigars out of this 1-pound bag. And next I have these bags from Dollar Tree, just regular sandwich bags. You see this lip on here? You want to cut that off. And then measure about 6 inches in length. And then cut those 5 bags. I'm cutting 5 bags together. Those 5 bags, each bag will render 2 wrappers. So you're going to cut the sides off. Also a sliver, just to get rid of that accordion part of the bag. So you'll have 10 separate wrappers. So now I'm lining up the Rolos, and you need 8 Rolos, all facing in the same direction, except for the last one. I'm going to turn that the opposite way so the ends will be balanced and look the same. You want to roll it quite firmly, tucking it in. And when you get to the end, you're just going to add some hot glue. So now I'm just tucking the ends in and adding a little glue at the ends. You just close the ends up. And there you have it. And I also made these seals on my Cricut machine, but you can take an oval and 2 rectangles and make your own out of gift bags, wrapping paper. This is actually some wrapping paper I had. And I'm adding an initial to it to kind of make it look more authentic, a label, a cigar label. And just gluing that together. My 10 cigars are all done, and I'm going to set those aside. And now I'm going to start on the skewer sticks. So I want the basket to be concave, so I've got to have it taller in the center. So I'm adding extensions to the sticks, like a 4-inch extension, 1 4-inch, 2 3-inches, and gluing them together. And these 3 I'll start in the center of the basket. So I just overlap that first 4-inch extension about 1 1/4 inches, something like that. I'm not getting crazy with it. Just extend it. I can always stick it down in the styrofoam more or less. But I wanted a like rainbow shape. I'm using 11 Hennessy bottles, 8 limoncellos, and 10 cigars. So now I'm going to start gluing the sticks to the bottles. And I'm just gluing them to the back center of the bottle, close to the top of the bottle, but not on the neck. Just to glue down the center. So I did the center bottle, now the 2 side ones, and I'm working left to right. So I'll stick the one dead in the center, and then I'll go from left to right and keep building from there. So for the cigars, like I said, I want varied heights. So I start some of the cigars at the close to the top, and then I move down about 1 inch, a few, and down another inch, a few. And there's no hard and fast rule. Just make it work. So for the styrofoam, I wanted the green one. I wanted 2 of those. I had one and I couldn't find another one to save my life. So I end up buying 2 more of these round disc ones. And they have 2 in a pack. So I have a total of, and they're the same height as the other one. I just had to spend a little bit more to get 2 extra. So it's 4 of these discs all together. So I glued 4 together twice. And this is how it looks. And I got this basket for $6 at Dollar General. I was excited. To me, this is a good find. It's sturdy. It's got like that seat belt weaving. Very nice. So here's the secret sauce to make the bottles appear to be floating in the basket. It's gonna look funny at first, but you gotta trust the process. You're gonna grab a little wad in your hand and stick the skewer stick through the wad, glue it to the bottom of the bottle. No, you don't need a whole lot of glue. It's gonna look funny, but trust the process. on the stick to keep it from falling down the stick. So here we go. I'm centering it as best I can with the first tallest stick. And like I said, I'm gonna work left to right and fill it all in. You can kind of see that the one in the middle is taller and the two on the sides are about the same, and they have to be perfect. And it's getting more filled. And there's a space because I didn't have, you can actually get enough foam to cover the whole bottom. You just got to add much more bottles and money. But you can fill in the back, you won't see that back part, and you can fill in the front, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to add to the front. So I've stuffed it with some newspaper first, then some tissue paper, and now some pretty shred, what I want to show. So now I have these wrapping paper, the poles from the wrapping paper. I cut a long one in half and I wrapped it with some gold paper that I already had. I mean, you can be creative. You can use paper towel rollers. This is actually those kind of a little sturdy though from wrapping paper. And I've cut it about 1 inch longer on each end and just stuffed the insides. And I had these crowns from a project before, which I got on Amazon. So now my sign, it's 12 by 3 inches, and I just used that Dollar Tree glitter vinyl and just wrap some foam board, cardboard, whatever you have on hand. And you can get letters also from the Dollar Tree. I did these on my Cricut machine. So now I've marked the height I want the basket, and I'm just going to glue it inside at my little marking. Add a little glue to the corners of the basket. So now I'm getting ready to glue the sign to the top of the poles, add the crowns, add some gift cards, and come back with the reveal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now for the reveal. I love the way this turned out. Thanks for watching.